A rash or negligent act causing death means someone's careless or reckless behavior resulted in another person's death, without the intention to cause death. It's about unintentional harm through negligence or recklessness. Examples: 1. Driving. Speeding through a red light or driving under the influence, causing a fatal accident. 2. Medical negligence. A doctor administering the wrong medication or performing surgery carelessly, leading to a patient's death. 3. Construction. Failing to properly secure a construction site, resulting in a falling object that kills someone. And 4. Household accidents. Leaving a hazardous item like a live wire exposed, leading to someone's death. Key legal aspects. 1. Section 304A of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, deals with causing death by a rash or negligent act, not amounting to culpable homicide. 2. Culpable homicide. This is a separate offense involving the intention to cause death or knowledge that the act will likely cause death. Section 304A covers cases where there's no such intention or knowledge. 3. Negligence. A failure to exercise the degree of care that a reasonable person would have exercised in the same situation. 4. Rashness. A reckless disregard for the consequences of one's actions, with indifference to whether those actions will cause harm. And 5. Penalty. Imprisonment for up to 2 years, a fine, or both. Landmark cases. 1. Duli Chand vs. Delhi Administration. This case involved a bus driver who struck a cyclist, where the Supreme Court found the driver negligent for failing to look out for the cyclist at a crossroad. 2. Jacob Matthew vs. State of Punjab and ANR. This case involved medical negligence, highlighting the importance of a doctor's duty of care. And 3. Indian Medical Association vs. VP Shanta. Another medical negligence case that explores the legal implications of a doctor's actions in civil and criminal law. Important note, these cases demonstrate that while the act may not be intentional, the consequences of rash and negligent behavior can be severe, leading to legal repercussions under Section 304A. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.